Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Monday's Crypto and Financial News Roundup. Let's dive right into what happened over the past 24 hours because it was quite the ride. Bitcoin dropped below $86,000 and the broader crypto market took a serious hit with $140 billion wiped out in just 4 hours, which tells you how volatile things got. Over $573 million in long positions got liquidated in the past day alone, and the total crypto market cap slipped back under $3 trillion. If you were watching Polymarket, the odds of Bitcoin hitting $100,000 by year end fell below 40%, so the bullish sentiment definitely cooled off. On the macro side, US tariff revenue jumped 281% year over year in October to a record $34.2 billion, and private investors outside the US bought a record $646.8 billion of American equities in the 12 months ending September. Interestingly, the odds of 3 rate cuts in 2025 hit an all-time high of 87%, which could be a game changer for risk assets going forward. Elon Musk chimed in saying Bitcoin is a real currency based on energy, which is classic Musk, while Peter Schiff predictably called Bitcoin a fake asset. On the flip side, there's $7.8 billion worth of short positions waiting to be liquidated if Bitcoin rallies back to 100,000, so the squeeze potential is real. Strategy's CEO said they'd only sell Bitcoin if their stock falls below net asset value and funding dries up, framing it purely as a financial decision, and Michael Saylor hinted at buying more Bitcoin because of course he did. Italy's prime minister is trying to move control of the nation's $300 billion in gold reserves away from the European Central Bank, which is a fascinating sovereignty play. Meanwhile, Hong Kong crypto firms that wanted to copy the US digital asset treasury boom are now pivoting to online poker and Pokemon cards as that model struggles, which is both hilarious and a bit sad. Kalshi's prediction market crossed $19 billion in all-time notional volume. Kazakhstan's national bank is considering investing up to $300 million in crypto. And U.S. credit card debt hit $1.233 trillion in the third quarter, the highest since tracking began. Gold smashed through $4,250. Elon said working will be optional in less than 20 years thanks to AI and robotics. And White House advisor Hassett said he'd be happy to serve as Fed chair if Trump picks him. In altcoin land, Ghost dropped a multi-year roadmap aiming to become the default privacy layer on Solana. Vitalik Buterin warned Zcash against token-based governance, saying it could erode core values like privacy, and several whales got fully liquidated as Mon's price dipped. Solana's co-founder pointed out that locked tokens create an incentive for bullish investors to sell unlocked tokens and buy locked ones at a discount. And Telegram's CEO announced their decentralized confidential compute network Cocoon is live with GPU owners already earning ton. That's your Monday crypto and finance wrap. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you tomorrow with another update.